Yo, fam, let's cut through the BS. You want to know the real reason you're not rich yet? It's not your job, your degree, or your bad luck. It's because you've been lied to about how money works. Let's fix that. Picture this. Jeff Bezos didn't wake up one day and go, "I'ma get rich." He saw a problem, slow, overpriced shopping, and built a solution called Amazon. Same with Elon Musk, boring cars to Tesla, or Sarah Blakely, awkward panty lines to Spanx. Here's the kicker. Money isn't earned. It's attracted. Step 1. The time trap. You're trading hours for dollars. $20 per hour for 40 years equals maybe $1 million before taxes. But inflation eats that like a snack. Meanwhile, Bezos adds $13 million to his net worth every hour. Why? Step 2. The problem-solution hack. Money flows to problem solvers. Think Uber taxis suck. Airbnb hotels are overpriced. What's pissing off your friends? Family, colleagues? Pro tip. Don't build the next Amazon. Fix a tiny, annoying problem first. Example. I hate meal prepping. Ready-made healthy meals. Group chats are chaotic, better app for planning. Step 3. Scale or fail. A restaurant? Capped by location. A franchise? Now we're scaling. Software? Infinite reach. Automate, outsource, systemize. Your goal? Make money while you sleep. Step 4. Sell or sale. Build it, then either sell. Instagram $1 billion to Facebook. Keep it running passively. Print on-demand merch. But here's the truth. It's not about the money. It's about buying back your time. Freedom to travel, help family, or nap at 2 p.m. on a Tuesday. Most won't do this. Too scary. Too much work. But you're different. You're here. So stop chasing cash. Chase problems. Solve them. Scale them. That's the game. If this hit home, subscribe or keep trading time for pennies. Your call. But if you're ready to play the game, hit that button. Patreon crew, y'all the reason I do this. Let's change the money narrative. Catch you in the next one.